Hi, my name's Lori. I live in La Mesa, California, Mount Helix area, and I came across Easy Solar over the internet. I believe my husband found them. We had been doing some research for quite some time, probably 3 years, and we just couldn't find anybody who was personable. Easy Solar was very personable. They returned my phone calls. Their salesperson answered all of my questions. They literally came out to the house physically and spoke with us. They showed up. They walked around. They showed us what they were going to do. They explained the install. They explained where the wiring was going to go. They explained getting a permit, how long it was going to take, and answered all of our questions in person. Once the property was permitted, Easy Solar came in and had the panels on in 2 days, had the electrical all done on day 3, and the final inspection was on day 4, and we were up and running on day 5. Easy Solar has the best installers. Friendly, nice, clean, white glove treatment. Brought their own trash cans, took the trash off the property with them, left nothing here. My solar panels are flush. Everything just went pristine. I would recommend Easy Solar to anyone.